Welcome back to my channel, Crypto Enthusiast. In today's video, we are going to talk about ICP and its recent price action. A quick disclaimer that this video isn't financial advice. You should do your own due diligence and research before investing in any crypto project. Your support is important to me. Kindly like my video, comment, watch to the end, and share my video. Drop love in the comment box. The live price of internet computer is $13.68, 8 ICP USD today, with a current market cap of $6.34 billion USD. 24-hour trading volume is $99.04 MUSD. ICP to USD price is updated in real time. Internet computer is 5.04% in the last 24 hours. It has a circulating supply of 463.21 M. Today, the internet is the ultimate king. World over, a mammoth exchange of data transpires on various servers, and the exchange of information solely relies on the data presented. However, if the source is not genuine or the data is not stored appropriately, the entire world could come to a catastrophe. Let's talk about ICP price prediction 2024. Based on our ICP coin price prediction for 2024, the token is expected to trade at a minimum of $9.75, a maximum value of $23.28, 8 the entire year. If look at the ICP price prediction 2025, by looking at past performances, the ICP crypto may trade at an average value of $27.80, 8 the year 2025. At the same time, our ICP price prediction for 2025 reveals that the token may rise to a maximum of $35.64 for. Now, the ICP price prediction 2030, as per our ICP crypto price prediction for 2030, the token will trade in a range of $123.92 to $202.33. The former is the minimum price and the latter is the maximum price. ICP price prediction based on worldwide money flows, comparing the size of the cryptocurrency market to the money supply, can provide an interesting perspective. The predictions in this section are based on comparing the total cryptocurrency market cap with the size of different money supply types M0, M1, and M2. If a greater percentage of money flows into crypto, internet computer would likely be worth the indicated amount, assuming it maintains its current market share. Price is predicted to reach $15.108, 8 of the year in bullish scenario. BTC holds despite spot ETF trends and Fed uncertainty. Bitcoin BTC fell by 0.37% on Saturday, April 27th, closing the session at $63,545. The BTC-spot ETF market outflows impacted buyer demand for BTC and the broader crypto market. On Sunday, April 28th, investors will likely look ahead to the U.S. economic calendar, with the Fed interest rate decision and U.S. jobs report the focal points. The U.S. jobs report, the Fed, and the BTC spot ETF market. Bitcoin BTC fell by 0.37% on Saturday, April 27th. Following a 1.22% loss on Friday, April 26th, BTC ended the session at $63,545. Significantly, BTC dipped below the $63,000 handle for the second time in the week. The U.S. Personal Income and Expenditures Report and Michigan consumer sentiment affected investor expectations of multiple 2024 Fed rate cuts. The U.S. economic indicators impacted buyer demand for BTCC in the BTC spot ETF market. Farside investors released daily spot ETF flow data for Friday, April 26th. Highlights from the Friday data included Grayscale Bitcoin Trust had net outflows of $82.4 million. Fidelity Wise Origin Bitcoin Fund saw net outflows for the second consecutive session. Shares Bitcoin Trust IBIT had zero net flows for the third successive session. ARC21 Shares Bitcoin ETF was the only ETF to register net inflows. The BTC spot ETF market saw total net outflows of $83.6 million, marking 3 consecutive sessions with total net outflows. For the week ending April 26th, the BTC spot ETF market saw total net outflows of $328.0 million. Significantly, the spot ETF market saw total net outflows for the second week. The flow trends align with investor sentiment toward the Fed interest rate trajectory. U.S. economic indicators, the Fed interest rate trajectory, and demand hotter than expected as inflation and retail sales figures impacted investor bets on a September Fed rate cut in recent weeks. According to the CME FedWatch tool, the chances of the Fed holding interest rates steady at 5.50% in September stood at 42.6% on Friday, April 26th. The chances of the Fed standing pat in September stood at 4.2% 1 month earlier, March 27th. Bloomberg Intelligence ETF analyst James Seifert summed up the Friday session, saying, "Rough day across the board for the Kentucky Derby and the Bitcoin ETFs yesterday. 5 ETFs saw outflows for a total of $217 million. Franklin was only ETF with an inflow at $1.9 million. It could be a pivotal coming week for the BTC-spot ETF market and BTC. The Fed interest rate decision press conference, the U.S. ISM Services PMI, and the U.S. jobs report could impact buyer demand for BTC spot ETFs. Weaker demand could further offset the effects of the Bitcoin halving that has continued to deliver price support at current levels. Consensus vs. CC in the ETF spot ETF market. ETH bucked the broader market trend on Saturday, April 27th, rallying 3.96% to end the session at $3,255. News of Consensus filing a lawsuit against the SEC fueled buyer demand for ETH. Consensus cited 2 reasons for filing the lawsuit. The SEC should not be allowed to arbitrarily expand its jurisdiction to include regulating the future of the internet by wrongly labeling ETH a security. The SEC's reckless approach is bringing chaos to developers, market participants, institutions, and nations who are building or already managing critical systems running on Ethereum. A victory against the SEC could pave the way for an ETH spot ETF market. Let's talk about the Bitcoin analysis. BTC hovered below the 50-day EMA while remaining above the 200-day EMA. The EMAs affirm the bearish near-term but bullish longer-term price signals. A BTC break above the 50-day EMA could give the bulls a run at the $69,000 resistance level. A return to the $69,000 handle would support a move toward the all-time high of $73,808. On Sunday, investor sentiment toward the Fed rate path and likely impact on buyer demand for BTC spot ETFs need consideration. Conversely, a BTC break below the $64,000 resistance level would give the bears a run at the $60,365 support level. With a 14 daily RSI reading of 45.39, BTC may drop below the $60,365 support level before entering oversold territory. Let's look at the Ethereum analysis. ETH hovered above the 50-day, 200-day EMAs. The EMAs sent price signals. An ETH return to the $3,400 handle would support a move to the $3,480 resistance level. A break above the $3,480 resistance level could give the bulls a run at the $3,835 resistance level. Conversely, ETH fall below the 50-day EMA and the $3,244 support level would bring the $3,244 support level would bring the $3. The 14-period daily RSI reading of 52.75 indicates an ETH break above the $3,480 resistance level before entering overbought territory. Let's stop here for now. Guys, this information should not be considered financial advice. I encourage you to do thorough research before making any investment decisions. Thanks for watching my video. Keep supporting my channel. See you in my next video.